Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem diagonal sum. So first step is to understand the question and then we would solve it. So let's start. Basically in this question we are given with the matrix. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. We need to calculate the sum of the diagonal values. So basically the diagonal values are 1. Okay. Then we have 3. Okay, then 5 is a diagonal value, 7 is a diagonal value, as well as 9 is a diagonal value. So the output should be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Okay, so it should be 4, 9, 9, 9, 18, 25. Okay, so the output would be 25. So basically we are given a matrix and we need to print out the sum of the diagonals for the given matrix. So I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the code part. So what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay. After that, you need to find the problem diagonal sum. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. So let's solve the problem. Okay. 1 minute. Here is the question. The question is, given a square matrix of size n into n, your task is to calculate the sum of its diagonals. Okay. I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding the question over here. Okay. So let's start. I need to apply a for loop for it. First, I am declaring a sum which is initially 0 for I in range. Okay. And the range is the entire matrix. Okay. So length of matrix. Okay. After this, 1 minute. Okay. After this, I just need to add the sum of the diagonals into the variable sum that I have just declared. Okay. So it is matrix. Okay. I. Okay. Plus. Okay. We are adding something more in it, and that is matrix. Okay. I. First one is I. Second one is length of matrix. Okay. Minus. Okay. Length of matrix minus 1 minus I. Okay. This is for the diagonals from right to the left side. Okay. And finally, I just need to return with the sum value. Okay. So I will just write return sum. Okay. Now I need to check if the problem is correct or not. Right. So basically the solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Okay. Let's wait. The compilation is completed. And my output is matching with the expected output, right? So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, let me submit it. Let's wait. The problem is solved successfully and this is how you solve the practice problem diagonal sum. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.